Hello, YouTube, and fellow Poke enthusiast. My name's Sir Mandrix. I stream on Twitch, and today I got the new Scarlet and Violet Journey Together. Just came out today. Gonna open it up, see what all it has in store. I have no idea what type of cards they have on this set. I have not looked anything up, so this is all gonna be brand new to me. If I can open it up. Monkey fingers. Alright. Let's go ahead. Let's open it up step by step here. Here we go. Let's open up the little poster that comes with it. Oh, come on, Gumpy. There we go. Oh, that's pretty cool. Here's just a little cardboard. That's trash. Looks like we got 9 packs. A trainer gallery card. This actually looks pretty cool. Kind of like that. I don't know if you guys can see it because of the glare. There's a little bit up closer look. Your energy cards. Your sleeves. Your burn and poison. And then your die. I remember these used to come in like little bags. I guess they ended up changing up what they do now. It's pretty cool. Alright, so let's go ahead and we'll set all this stuff aside. Let's get into opening up our packs. Alright, first pack, here we go. Black Belts Training. The Voltorb. So, wait a minute. So, is this like the gym leaders back in the day? Is that what this set's basically going to be like? Because this is Ino's Voltorb. What back in the day used to be LT Surge's Voltorb. Arroyo and Purlong. Octillery. Wheezing. Ruffian. Grinsnarl. Bomberade. Voibrian, and then our energy. Now, I am putting the code cards upside down, but I'm going to start doing a thing on my Pokemon videos. The first person to comment gets 10 random code cards. I have about 200 to 300 of these to give out. So, first person to comment will get them. Grandpa, Durant, more gem, Stunfisk. Oh, there's her Electrode. So now I got the full evolution for Voltorb and Electrode. Valkyrin, Marowak, Audio, Rockruff, Butterfree, and then Energy. Sorry, that was a reference to the King of Hill little skit with Pokemon. We haven't really hit anything yet, and we've only done 2 packs, so we'll see what happens. Hopefully, we get some type of hit. Professor's Research, QT Fly, Patel, Minikyu, Chinikyu, Marcactus. Who the fuck is that? But whatever. Toadscruel, Fungus, Drampa. Oh, there we go. Our first hit. A Tapu Koko EX. Not too bad. Bammerade, Parasect, Pupitar, Alolan Geodude, Brock Scouting, Rhizern, Hope's Choice Band, a Lotad, Spring, one of the starters, a Tyranitar, rawr. Who has a broken effect. As long as it remains in the active spot, they can't play any items. Okay. Let's go ahead. Let's get this next one. Toadscruel, Mr. Mime, Spintoid, or whatever fuck, Drampa, Darmninge, a redeem ticket. Count your prize cards, shuffle them, and then put them on the bottom of your deck. Then take that many cards from the top of your deck and then put them face down as your prize cards. Huh, interesting. Combustion, Medtank. Ooh, a full art. It's a no-bat. Ludicolo. And then a basic energy. Wait, they changed the style of fire energies? They changed the style of all of them? I actually didn't pay attention to that. They did. So they even changed the style of the energies. That's cool. Alright. Audio. Cafe. Sentry. Cafe. Look at Articuno. The mouse. A Postwick. A Cloth. Another Professor's Research. Toad Grumming. And you got Hops Snorlax. Attacking using hot Pokemon deals 30 more damage to your opponent's active Pokemon before applying weakness and resistance. The effect of extra helping doesn't stack. So if you got a deck full of his stuff, always have a Snorlax, because Hope's Pokemon does more if you have Snorlax there. So, but I've only seen one of Hope's or Hop's Pokemon, so I don't know how many actually are in this set. A Durant, Morbrim, a Stunfisk, a Bomberade, a Golem, Excavator, Brock Scouting, Milkiri, and Castle. Ooh, the main card of the deck. Wonder how much. It's not the secret rare. But it's nice. It's a full art. It looks like a full art anyway. an EX. So it's definitely a hit. Lumbridge, Gawakas, Medtank, and Noibat. That's the regular art. Here's the full art. Levitia, Super Potion. Oh, here's he apparently has Corviknight. So Hops does have more. Wooper, Larvitar, Brimblebee. Never heard of that one. And then your basic energy. So far we only got 3 hits. Hopefully this last pack will give me another hit. And then it's about even. It's about half and half. Half no hits, half hits. If I get no hits on this, I'll be utter disappointed, Pokemon. How rude. Give me my hits. Alright. Another code card. So we got a Parasect, a Pupitar, Alolan Geodude, which I didn't actually get Grappler. I'm upset about that. Audio, Volcanion, Loxus, Iris Fighting Spirit. Apparently he has Wooloo. He has a Sheepy. Shelm. Now for our last hit. Not an EX, but it is a rare. As long as this Pokemon remains in your active spot, whenever you attach an energy card from your hand to one of your Pokemon, heal 60 damage from that Pokemon. Or 90 damage. Sorry, not 60. So you can constantly keep healing this guy back to back. Alright. Let's see. PCG player. So, Tapu Koko, his only one attack is Linked Lightning. 1 electric energy, 1 basic. This attack does 60 more damage for each of your bench Pokemon. Or, this does 20 more damage for each of your bench Pokemon. Based is 60. So it basically can do, 160 damage if you have full bench. This one just draws Pokemon, or draws cards for you. Alright. My Zoroark. EX. You must discard a card from your hand in order to use this ability. Once during your turn, you may draw 2 cards. So for 1, you get 2 instead. Choose one of your bench ends Pokemon attacks and use it as this attack. Fucking useless. What if I don't have another one? I don't think I got another in. Alright, let's see what it states for the Zoroark. Zoroark EX 098 out of 156. So this is the brand new set, so it's probably going to be, yeah, okay, so this is $7. Which ain't too bad. I think the box runs you about $60 right now. So it is pretty expensive for a brand new set. Now, my Tapu Koko. About $4. So that's about, what did I say that was? About 7? So about 11 bucks. Noibat. Let's see, 169, 156. The most expensive card that I got was my Noibat. This is almost a $12 card right here. So both of these together equals out to this one. Wow, I hope that price changes. Alright. I hope y'all enjoyed the video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Again, my name is Sir Mandrix. And don't forget, the first few people to... I'm actually going to go for the first few people to comment. You will get some code cards. These will be yours. So don't forget to comment. And I'll see y'all in the next video.